What if I told you that a YouTube channel with only 22 videos and around 215K subscribers is already generating thousands of dollars every month? Even more surprising, the channel has gained over 120,000 views in just the last 1 month. The best part? Every single video is about finance, business, economic events, and global financial stories. These are some of the highest CPM topics on YouTube, meaning advertisers pay significantly more compared to many other niches. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this style of content using completely free AI tools. The system I'm about to share can generate scripts, images, and even videos with minimal manual work. I'll also show you a free automation extension that can generate large batches of images automatically, saving you hours of work. Most importantly, I'll walk you through the exact workflow I use to create these finance documentary videos from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find profitable topics, generate engaging scripts, create consistent visuals, and turn everything into a professional YouTube video. To make the entire process simple, I've prepared a complete master workflow that contains 5 different steps. Everything is included from topic generation to script creation, character consistency, image prompts, video prompts, and even thumbnail prompts. You don't need to create anything from scratch. Most of the work is already prepared for you. Let's begin with step 1. First, open the mission prompt and copy it. Then go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will give you 10 potential finance video ideas. From those ideas, simply choose the one you like most. For this example, I'm selecting the $32 billion crypto empire that vanished overnight. Now copy that topic and paste it into ChatGPT. Then type, "This is my video idea. Please create me a script according to the prompt I provided." Next, go to one of the successful videos from the reference channel. Open the video and click Show Transcript. Copy the transcript and paste it into ChatGPT. I recommend repeating this process with 1 or 2 additional videos so ChatGPT can better understand the storytelling style, pacing, and retention structure. After that, go back to your document and copy the Step 2 script prompt. Paste it underneath the transcripts and click Generate. ChatGPT will then ask you to choose between 2 options. For this example, I'm selecting option A, which focuses on the real FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried story. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates the complete documentary script. At this point, your voiceover script is finished and ready to use. Now let's move to the next stage, which is consistency and world building. Go back to the document and copy the Step 3 prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then copy the entire script that was generated in Step 2 and paste it underneath the prompt. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will automatically create everything needed for visual production. First, it generates the master style prompt. Then it creates the code-named character system. After that, it generates all the scene prompts required for the video. In most cases, you'll receive around 60 high-quality image prompts covering the entire story. Image generation. For this, we're going to use a free automation system that can generate images in bulk. First, install the browser extension called Flow AI Automator. After installing the extension, open Flow AI and sign in using any Gmail account. Inside Flow AI, go to the Upload section and enable the API method option. Before generating your scene images, you need a style reference image. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the master style prompt or character prompt. Paste it into Flow AI and generate your reference image. Once the image is ready, download it. Next, go to the Style Reference section inside Flow AI and upload your reference image. This ensures that all future images maintain a consistent visual style throughout the video. Now locate the Text Paste section inside Flow AI Automator. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first batch of scene prompts. Paste all of them into the prompt field. Once everything is ready, click Start Batch. This is where the automation becomes powerful. Instead of manually generating images one by one, Flow AI Automator automatically processes every prompt individually. It analyzes each prompt, sends it to Flow AI, generates the image, and saves the results for you automatically. As you can see on the screen, the first image is already being generated. The character remains consistent because we uploaded the reference image earlier. Now the second image is being generated, and the third, then the fourth, then the fifth. The process continues automatically without requiring any additional input from you. As you can see, the results are extremely clean, visually consistent, and perfectly suited for finance documentary content. Once all the images have finished generating, simply download and save them to your project folder, turning those images into fully animated video scenes. First, we need to generate video prompts. Go back to the master document and locate the video prompt section. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Next, copy only the image prompts that were generated earlier. Make sure you're copying the image prompts only, not the script. Paste those image prompts underneath the video prompt and click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate motion prompts for every scene. Each paragraph represents a separate video prompt. If you generated 10 images, you'll receive 10 corresponding video prompts. Now let me show you how to automate the video generation process. For this step, we're going to use another automation extension called Video Automation Extension for Flow AI. Simply install the extension and open it. Make sure the Flow AI website is already open in your browser. Once the extension is connected, select the frame to video. Now upload all the images you generated earlier. After uploading the images, go back to ChatGPT and copy the matching video prompts. For example, if you're generating 10 videos, copy the first 10 motion prompts. Paste them into the prompt section inside the extension. Before starting the generation, make sure to select the correct aspect ratio. I recommend using 16:9 for YouTube long-form video. In my example, I accidentally selected 9:16, which is why some clips may appear in a vertical format. Once everything is ready, simply click Run Batch. The automation will begin processing your videos one by one. The first scene starts generating automatically, then the second scene, then the third. That's completely normal. As you can see on the screen, the first video has already finished generating, and honestly, the results look amazing. The motion feels natural, the scene remains consistent, and the animation quality is surprisingly good. The second video is now generating, then the third, then the fourth. Everything happens automatically without requiring you to manually create each video. However, if this extension doesn't work for you, don't worry. I have another backup method. The second option is an extension called Flow Automation AI Video Generator. Simply search for it on Google Chrome and install it. This extension works best in Chrome, so I don't recommend using Microsoft Edge for this method. After logging in with your Google account, upload the remaining images that still need video generation. The only difference is that this extension requires you to paste each prompt manually into its corresponding scene slot. It takes a little more time, but it works very reliably. Once all prompts have been assigned, click Run Batch and then start processing. The extension will begin generating your videos automatically. Now, if both automation methods fail for any reason, there's still one final method available. This is the manual generation method. And honestly, it's extremely effective. Most accounts receive around 50 free daily credits. Simply upload your image, copy the corresponding motion prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it into the prompt field. Next, select your preferred video model. I usually choose Gemini Flash because it provides fast generation and surprisingly good quality. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, choose an 8-second duration, and click Generate. That's it. Using the free credits, I can usually generate around 4 high-quality scenes per account. As you can see on the screen, the results are impressive. The animations are smooth, the character consistency remains strong, and the overall visual quality looks professional. If you run out of credits, simply sign out and log in using another Gmail account. Upload the next image, paste the next motion prompt, and continue generating scenes. One by one, your entire video will be completed. This workflow gives you multiple options, so even if one method stops working, you'll always have a backup solution available. Now that all of our video scenes are ready, simply download every generated clip and save them into your project folder. The video generation stage is officially complete. Next, let's move on to voiceovers and final editing. Simply ask ChatGPT to convert your script into a professional voiceover format. Then open 11 Labs. Paste your script, choose a suitable voice, and generate the voiceover. Before moving to the final edit, I recommend cleaning up the audio using Adobe Audition. Sometimes AI-generated voiceovers contain small pauses or unnecessary gaps that can slow down the pacing of your video. Open the audio file in Adobe Audition, remove any long silences, and make sure the narration flows smoothly from beginning to end. Once you're satisfied with the result, export the enhanced audio file. Now it's time for the final editing process. Open CapCut and import all of your generated video clips along with the cleaned-up voiceover. Place the voiceover on the timeline first. This will act as the foundation of your entire edit. Next, drag your video clips onto the timeline and arrange them according to the narration. Adjust the timing of each clip so that it matches the exact part of the story being spoken. As you continue editing, make sure the visuals support the narration and keep the viewer engaged. You can also add transitions, subtle effects, and camera movements wherever necessary to make the video feel more dynamic. Next, add background. Search for cinematic, documentary, or storytelling music inside CapCut, and choose a track that matches the mood of your content. Keep the volume low so the narration remains clear and easy to understand. After that, generate captions using CapCut's Auto Captions feature. Once the captions are generated, select a caption style that looks professional and improves readability. Finally, review the entire project from start to finish. Make any necessary adjustments to the visuals, audio, captions, and music. When everything looks good, export the video in 4K quality. And that's it. Today, you learned how to create a complete AI-generated video, from scripting and image generation to video creation, voiceovers, audio enhancement, and final editing. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.